Hi guys, my name's Michelle and welcome to Amazingly Enough. Today's video is about all the documents that you need to carry to Canada and an overview of what's going to happen to you during the migration process. So let's get started. I would suggest you guys make a note of all the things I'm going to say. I'll just give you all the documents that you need to carry, and then later I'll explain why you need to carry them. So you would need to carry your 10th, 12th, and degree. If you have a master's degree, you carry a master's degree. All the things that you've done study-wise, all these certificates, very important, carry them. Another suggestion, please carry photocopies of all of these. So you need at least, say, I would take 3 photocopies. Just keep maybe one of the original and photocopies in your hand baggage, and then the photocopies in your, the luggage that you would give them. Then after your 10th, 12th, and your degree, you get your IELTS scorecard. Then you get your medical certificate. This you must have got during the visa process, and emails that you received during the visa process. The emails that you received during the visa process would be the biometric email, the one they're inviting you to give you the take the passport for stamping, and your study permit. These are very important. Your study permit is very, very important. After that, passport is a given. You have to bring your passport. Don't forget it, because then the whole purpose of you coming to Canada is just makes no sense. You will have to carry your offer letter. Whatever emails that you got from your college, that would be your offer letter, your fee receipt, the acceptance letter. So please carry all of that, and the GIC certificate. This is you proving that you're financially stable to stay in Canada. So these are the documents I think that you should carry to Canada. Now I'll give you an overview of what happens during the migration. So मेरे साथ उतना स्ट्रिक्ट नहीं था, मेरा उतना ज़्यादा इंटेंस नहीं था क्वेश्चनिंग एंड ऑल. इनफैक्ट मुझे पता ही नहीं चला दिस इज क्वेश्चनिंग. What I was told is to be honest and not to be scared. That's my suggestion to you guys. So मैंने दिल्ली से किया था board. My flight was from Delhi to Frankfurt, that's in Germany. And for this, during the migration, this person very happily asked me, आप क्यों जा रहे हो, अपने कॉलेज क्यों चूज किया, और फीस कितना था, और what does your dad do? I was asked what my dad does, and where in Canada will you stay. Yeah, another thing that I would really suggest is wherever you're going to stay, you might want to have the address of that, because you don't want to go to the airport and not have an address with you. This is another very important thing that you might want to do, and you might also want to put up your name with this address that you're going to stay onto your baggage, on your luggage. Other than that, I think, yeah. So after that, when I reached Canada, I was made to fill this migration form. This migration form asked me about how many days I'm going to stay. The number of days that I wrote is the number of days my study permit allows me to stay. My study permit was for a year, so I put that I'm staying here for 365 days. It asked me the things that I'm carrying along with me. That was mostly food items. They asked me if I had any guns or if I had any metal items. They asked me if I had dairy products. They asked me if I had fruits, alcohol, and gifts. So you just have to fill in all of those very honestly. I suggest you do not suggest. I really, I'm asking you guys not to carry any fruits or seeds or plants. It is not allowed. They will check you thoroughly again. It happened with me. My mom forcefully put a pear into my bag. It was a fruit. I'm not allowed to carry fruits. I was supposed to eat it. I forgot. I just left it in the bag, and I had to go through the checking again. Do not make that mistake. It's not allowed. Other than that, what else? If I was asked anything else, it was once you fill in this form, you will be guided towards migration. Here again, remember that the person who's going to ask you questions in Delhi or wherever you're going to board your flight from in India, you're going to be asked for similar questions, except the documentation, the checking of the documents is going to be a little more. So they might ask you for almost everything. You might have to show your GIC. Your for given will be your passport, and your offer letter, your receipt, and the migration form that you had just filled in, and rest in the study permit. These are forgiven. But they might also ask you to show your 10th, 12th, your IELTS scorecard, your medicals. So you just have to carry all of them. It's good to have have a photocopy. If they want to, take it, they can take it. Other than that, if you guys have any insurance, most of the Canadian colleges, the fees has the insurance that's included in it. So I didn't have to show anything. But if you guys are opting to take any additional insurance, please have the documents with you. Other than that would be your the money that you would carry to Canada, because now you won't carry any rupees, you would be carrying dollars, Canadian dollars. I suggest you don't carry a lot in cash. You carry in a card, a Forex card. The one I used was an EBIX card, but you can go to any bank that your bank account is in and get yourself a Forex card. That's all for today, guys. I really hope you guys made a note of all these. So when you're packing, you'll are very, mindful about what you guys are packing and not miss out on anything. And if you'll have any questions, queries, put it down in the comments below. And for no reason whatsoever, do not get scared of the questions they might ask you. People might say it's going to be really intense and whatever. Honestly, it is not. It's not. They're just going to ask you why you chose Canada, why you chose Conestoga. You can be as blunt as because I really wanted to study there, and Conestoga because I got an offer letter from there. I mean, I chose a lot of colleges, but I got an offer letter from there. So you can be as blunt as that. But try not to say that you want to settle down in Canada, or you're not coming back. These are things that I was told to avoid, and I suggest the same to you guys. And other than that, you guys can take a chill pill. It's easy. And happy living, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Have a nice day. Bye.